Slades Beverages COVID Deep Clean. HOUSE MELBOURNE Maintenance Services have developed a coronavirus deep cleaning strategy using guidance from Public Health Australia to offer a specialist coronavirus sanitisation service to take precautionary measures. Our sanitisation process includes virucidal sanitizing to all surfaces, focusing on touch points including equipment, furniture, desks, computers, doors, floors, kitchens and toilets etc., depending on your requirements. With the global spread of the coronavirus, everybody has started to become more vigilant about the need to disinfect as well as carry out deep cleaning. The disinfectant that will be used in cleaning areas should be one that has antiviral capabilities, which means it can kill a virus. Our cleaners use freshly made solutions following the manufacturer's instructions. If you have any query, please reach out to our manager on 0407 094 444. We are open 7 days a week and bookings start from 7 a.m. every day.